Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya M. Period. I got this gorgeous reddish brown kinky curly 360 wig to share with you guys. It came from Ashimary hair. They sent me over the 18-inch, and these are some of the goodies that come with your wig when you do purchase. She is absolutely gorgeous, straight out of the box. Everything is all done for you. The hairline is pre-plucked, the lace is cut. It comes with the tape on the inside, and it also has these Invisa straps that you would pull, and that is going to secure it in the back so that you have a seamless install. I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace with some foundation, a shade darker than my complexion. And look how easy it is to just put this on. Now, since I am wearing this in an updo, I am going to add a little bit of lace adhesive spray to the area of the wig where my forehead is, not the tabs, because we have the ear tabs. On the ear tabs, we have the lace tape that's already installed. So I'm just going to press this in, let it dry, and then basically secure it at the top. If you made it this far, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to follow, hit that like button, hit that follow button, and comment down below. I recently did a color analysis and I found that my colors are deep autumn. So colors like this really complement my skin. This is why I gravitate towards ginger colors, especially dark ginger colors. I really gravitate towards them, guys. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite color of hair to wear is. I also love me some honey blonde hair as well. So I'm just tapping on the lace adhesive spray where I feel like it needs more, like on the edge where it needs more to lay. And then I'm just going to go ahead and band that for just a few moments until it dries down. And then once it dries down, I'm going to take the band off, and then we're going to stick the sides down. And this is what's really going to make the wig a glueless install. Again, you don't have to put the lace adhesive spray. Me, I'm just like a paranoid person, so I do lay or add a lace adhesive spray to the front of my head, just because my hairline is also weird. My head shape is weird. It's not as round, so just to make sure it's secure and it don't flap. So now we're going to go ahead and style the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush the curls out because I want the water, when I spray the water, I want it to really get saturated into each strand. So I'm just taking my water bottle. This is plain water, no extra product. And then I'm going to take this brush. Now, I absolutely love this brush. This is a curl brush, guys. If you see those ridges, those are going to help to define the curls. So I absolutely love this brush. And it also has the bristles on the inside to really smooth out the curls, the hair strands. This is just some foaming hair mousse. I'm using a lot of body foaming hair mousse. Just running that through my fingers, and then I'm going back over with the brush and just really trying to define those curls. And I'm going to do this in sections. I'm only going to show you one side, but I basically repeat this process in sections. That way it's not so overwhelming trying to get the whole head done. If I'm in a rush, I may do bigger sections, but for the most part, I do this in 4 to 6 sections. But this is what the hair looks like wet. I'm going to go ahead and diffuse dry it because number one, I want my hair to dry fast. And number two, this adds volume to the hair when you diffuse dry. This hair is some really nice hair, by the way. The curls are popping. They aren't frizzy. And of course, it's human hair. I don't know if I mentioned that, but Ashimary sells human hair. And the hair on this wig is really nice. Absolutely love the color. So this is the final result after it is diffused dried. I added a few small baby hairs, showing you guys the part. It has a lot of parting space that you can work with. You can do different hairstyles with this, especially because it is a 360 wig. So you can do half up, half downs, You can do a full updo, which I will show you guys in a minute. I'm just showing you the 360. This is where the 18-inch falls on me, and I am 5'2", just for reference. But I absolutely love this color. I just could not get over how good it looks on me. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks in a half up, half down. It looks really nice pulled back, so I give them kudos on his hairline. It looks really nice and natural. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in a full updo. Now this is how I do this with my 360 wigs. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you can gather all the hair and put it in a bun. Now sometimes these wigs we have a lot of hair. This is like a good amount of hair, so it took me a minute, but once I got it up there, I just secured it into a bun with a scrunchie. And this is how the back looks, guys. So the back is going to look crazy, so that's okay because we're going to fix it. So you're going to pull it down, put the comb in, and then you're going to pull the Invisi straps. And be careful when you pull the Invisi straps because you can pop them. So you pull the strap tight and then push the little stoppers up. And of course you want to make sure that you hide the straps in the wig because you don't want them poking out or showing. So once I did that, I'm going to go in and create some baby hairs in the back. We all have baby hairs in the back. Everybody has baby hairs in the back. So we're going to create them so it can look more natural. So I'm just pulling out a thin section of hair in the back. You don't want to get too much because you want it to look natural. And then you're going to go ahead and softly cut it. I suggest using like an eyebrow razor, but I didn't have one. So now I'm going to go ahead and fix the ponytail again because of course it got messed up trying to pull some of the hair out. And I'm going to take some foaming mousse to define those curls that I just cut in the back and have it laid down a bit more. Ashimary hair wigs are always the best, and I highly suggest you get this one. The link will be in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social medias. Mwah, love you guys.